What's good, you guys? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. Today we have the crystal style start stop button for the F30. There's two ways you guys can install this button. One is with the provided tape. You pretty much tape this onto the OEM button, let it sit for a couple seconds and then pull it off. Or you can get a trim removal tool and take out the whole entire housing and then pop out the button from the inside. We're gonna do it the simpler way today with this tape. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys. So we're here in the F30. We're about to install the button. As you guys can see, this happens on pretty much any BMW. The plastic's not that good on the push to start. But basically, what you guys want to do is take this black shit out of the wrap and then apply it to the button, and then give it like a minute or so to adhere to it. And then you basically just want to pull straight forward in like a straightforward motion like this, and it'll come out. So let me go ahead and demonstrate that for you guys right now. So you're going to want to let it adhere to the button for a little bit, and then once it sticks on, you're just going to pull it straight off. Yeah. Oh, well, that didn't work. I guess you gotta let it adhere for longer. And just like that, we have the button off. So this is what the start stop button looks like. It's basically like the 8 series crystal button, and it matches the interior perfectly. So the way you're gonna install it is, if you look, there's 3 things for you guys to line it up to, and if you look on the back, there's 3 things for you guys to line it up to. So basically, you're gonna line it up, and then once it's lined up, you're just gonna give it a firm press like that. You're gonna hear a click for the clip to click in, and you guys are good. You have your push to start button installed. Then you can go ahead and test it to see if it's working. As you guys can see, it works. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Catch you guys in the next one. R&R Motorsports. I'm out.